Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm decided to giving you guys like a house tour. We've been living in here for almost 2 years, but I couldn't do it, but today I decided to do it. I'm kind of like a little bit embarrassing to share because it's a little bit messy, but I'm just gonna share it anyway just to motivate myself to be more organized. Let's get started. So this is the living room. I'm kind of like it the most. We spend a lot of time here. My husband spent a lot of time here lounging, and we had a very big window to get a lot of lightings in here. Also, we have a little piano, and the furniture is like kind of neutral color, which is I really liked. And a little bit over here is the foyer room, which is with that mirror we picked out for a very long time, and I also like it very much. Okay, a little bit over here, preparing for the chaotics. It is my kitchen. I have a very kind of like very big island. On top of that is the electric stove and induction stove. I like it like that. It's easy to clean, and it's kind of seamless. If I don't like it, I can cover it. Please excuse me for all the messes. I don't know. I had to get over this. This is kind of like very messy, and I don't feel happy living like that. But I'll try my best. That is just a little lunch with my very old pot and pan. I know I need to get a new set, but we'll see. We'll wait for another maybe what is it called? I forgot. Black Friday deal. And what I like about my kitchen is open concept, so I can cook over here, and everyone can hang over there, and we kind of entertain each other's. We have our food kitchen over here, and I have another fridge over here for beverages, and then that is my sink. I have a very I like a very farmhouse kind of vibe, and I like all my kitchen cabinet is white and kind of simple. Let me show. Okay, so this is kitchen cabinet. Okay, so this is kind of like the island, and this is not the double oven, but it is a microwave and the oven. And little here I have a little wine cooler kind of bar, and oh my god, it's so messy, and all of our alcohols kind of stuff. And over here, oh my god, this is the pantry. I don't want just show you a little bit, but it's kind of little very messy in here. That would be my #1 project to clean out this week. Over here is our dining table. This is the lightings that I really like, kind of simple, and it match our dining sets really well. Okay, to my oldest kid's room. Oh my god, she's gonna be mad at me if I filming this. Oh my god, she's gonna be mad at me if I filming this. Sorry, Velma. Okay, and this is another bathroom, but this is for the boys, and kind of sharing with my mom. And then this is my second daughter's. Her room is not as messy, but it's also messy. Oh my god, we need to tell ourselves to be more motivated for cleaning our rooms. Okay, and opposite to that is my mom's room, and you know, little boys always with her. and the messiest room in the house, I guess. This is my boys' room. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's it, guys. And I kind of want to show you guys a little bit about my backyard. It's one of the things that we kind of very proud of. So this is our patio. We have a little TV over there and sofa, craft stuff, some exercise treadmills that we never use. Embarrassing. Okay, and this is our backyard. It's pretty chilly today, guys. It's been a long time I haven't come out because it's so cold. We have a pool with a hot tub inside. I haven't used it at all. And behind over there is my kids' stuff, like slides, and then a little bit over there is my my husband's tool storage. And over there is my garden, a little bit further over there. And we have a fire pit too, but it's so cold today, so that will be it for today. And if you guys want to know more about something about my house, just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer or do more videos about it. Thank you. Bye bye.